One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer.
Hello my Fabs creators, today I have a new visitor. This is the first time in my whole channel that someone helps me out with the DIYs. He literally sews, okay? Now he can sew really good. I am impressed, he even was impressed. Anyways guys, we're making this collab because he just turned 1 year anniversary with his girlfriend and he was like, hey, why don't we do like gifts for my girlfriend? And I was like, that is a perfect idea, let's do it. And he came here and helped me out with all the DIYs. And if you want to know if she loved it or not, go to his video. He will show her reaction, so you have to follow him. And he makes awesome videos. Can you guys believe that he went to the movies and he played Fortnite? He almost go to jail, okay? So you guys have to see him. He has very awesome videos. I totally recommend him. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get a notification when I do a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. Now let's start. Get paper, get tape, and join your papers together. Now we're going to start painting our pattern. We're going to use the name Victoria. This is Demil's girlfriend's second name. It's a really pretty name. Anyways, when you're drawing a name, remember that it has to be in cursive because it has to all go together. Get jewelry wire and then start shaping it with your pattern and use tape because if not, this will be really difficult. Like it happened to Demil, he forgot to put tape and he was struggling. The struggle was real. He was like, oh my god, this is harder than it looks. Then I was like, okay, I'm going to continue. I put the tape and then I continue shaping it. When you get here, this is very important. You will need jewelry pliers to squish that end so it can look like a straight line. And you will do that every time that it joins like in the C, in the T, and then you will continue. Get your neon lights and get this glue that is 3M. Glue it onto your wire and then glue your neon lights using the help of clothing pins so they won't come off. Wait until it dries and cut the excess neon. Now we're going to put black tape on every letter that it needs it, like the eyes. We're going to measure that both eyes have the same amount of width before putting the tape, and then we're going to put tape here, and this is how it will look. Now we're going to get our pattern again and we're going to draw an extra line on the edges. We're going to cut it. We're going to get carton. We're going to put the pattern. We're going to trace it and then we're going to cut it. Then we're going to paint it. I wanted to give it like an ombre effect and this is what I did. And then we're going to put the neon light on top. Then we're going to get our glue and glue it, and we're going to have a lot of patience and precision. When it's dry, we're going to turn it around and we're going to break this part, or you can unscrew it, but I didn't have a screw so I had to break it. Then we're going to add glue it. Make sure that you can open where your batteries are and that you did not glue it. And then we're going to glue the cable. If it's really hard to glue it and that it can stay where it belongs, put tape so it can help you. And that's it. It's really easy and it looks so pretty that I want one of my own.
Was clearly something you didn't feel, but let me know when you will think of me. A real desire. Can I feel my feet until we're dancing till this crazy beat? Hook me up on summer.
Get paper, draw a heart. Get jewelry wire. Now start molding it to the heart. Do 2 hearts and then go straight down to make a line. Then fold it like I did so you can make this circle. And that's it. It's super easy and it looks really pretty.
But I just want to avoid, baby. Don't let me down. Me and my army, we will stake you out.
Now we're going to make cookies. What you're going to do here is follow the instructions that your cookies gives you. That's what I'm doing basically. Oh my god, look at this part. It looks really aesthetically pleasing. I love it. If your cookie cutters are giving you problem like it did to mine, use a knife so it can help you and it won't break the cookie dough. Now put it the time that it says on your instructions and wait until they're done. Then we're going to add some frosting, sprinkles, and put it in this cube plate. I am putting the frosting. By the way, do you want to hear a funny story? Demil tried to help me put the frosting, but his was like not going too well. I was like, okay Demil, I'll do the frosting and you do the sprinkles. And it was really funny, but he did a great job on the sprinkles. He did a better job than me. And that's it, and it looks really pretty. I love this cookie and they tasted so good, guys, and you have to bake them and see for yourself. Get an oversized t-shirt and fold it in half. Get a ruler and put pins so it can be straight when you cut it. Then fold the edge and put pins. Then sew a straight lines where the red lines are. Fold your sleeves, put pins, and sew where the straight lines are. This is my Fabs creator helper Demil. He was sewing for his first time ever and oh my god, he sews really good. Like, I am impressed that it's his first time because he did an excellent job. Anyways, this is the final result. Now get your leftovers and this will be your skirt. Now put a pin in every edge like I am doing right now. Now we're going to get elastic and a measuring tape. We're going to measure our waist and then we're going to subtract an inch. For example, if your waist is 26 inches, you will cut 25 inches. Then we're going to cut the elastic. Then we're going to join them together with a pin and sew a straight lines where the red line is. And this is how it's going to look. Now we're going to put a pin in every edge. Now we're going to join them together with the skirts where the pins are. When you're in the sewing machine, you're going to stretch it like this and sew a zigzag line where the red lines are. And this is how it's going to look. Now you're going to fold it again, stretch it, and sew a zigzag line where the red lines are. And this is the final look and it looks really good.
The world, blue skies and night swings, never keeping track of time. Solid skin driving and all I can breathe is you, so I jump in, only for this ride.
Well, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up and comment down below on my Instagram through my Snapchat. And don't forget to follow him. He has really awesome content. I totally recommend. Anyways, bye! Bye!
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited.